here. Hello dolls, Dolllygoood
Hello
here.
dolls, Dolllygoood dolls.
Hello
Dolllygoood
dolls,
here.
Dolllygoood here. Hello dolls, this is Dolllygoood, and today I'm presenting a doll from the Naturalistas line. On the box it says, "I'm Liya, a celebration of natural coils, curls and crowns." As far as I know, this doll was released in 2022, and yeah, as you can see, she has lots of hair. She's more on the curvy side, so more natural looking, hence the name Naturalistas. On the back there are 4 more dolls from this line. They are called Dana, Kelsey, Paige and Grace, and Liya is here depicted in the middle. Yeah, I preferred her look to the others. Dana is looking quite nice as well. They seem all very nice, but I preferred this Liya doll. And yeah, the text you can read it yourself. It's long enough on the screen, I think. And the doll was brought to the market by wright-ward. She is founder of Purpose Toys and creator of Naturalistas. Yeah, that's the first doll I have bought from this company and from this line. So I'm quite excited how it turns out. And just get in and unpack her. Okay, so it's plastic in the front. There's a cardboard on the back, and there seem to be like some kind of flaps holding the thing in. I don't know exactly how it's supposed to work, but as I'm not keeping the box, maybe the cardboard, I just cut in to get this lady out. So, I see. Okay. So, and one last one. Not wanting to cut into her hair. So that's hair on the cardboard then. And you see the hair is everything about this doll. As you have noticed, her feet are bigger than, for example, Barbie's feet. So it comes in handy that there are shoes with her that will fit these feet, but I think those feet are more realistic than Barbie's feet or some clone doll's feet. Let's see how they intended this to go on. Cut up. So the cardboard actually is 2 layers of cardboard that are taped with sticky tape on each side, and I just cut this open. Like this, and then on the back side there's a big stripe of sticky tape to secure everything. Try to get this off in one piece, maybe. Okay, so now here we go. Rip it like this. And there are numerous small plasticky things holding everything in place. There are two tabs that hold the main body, so she's quite secure. Okay, I've decided to unpack her from the front, as I'm not intending to keep the packaging anyway. So maybe this baggy thing. So this is her purse. It doesn't open, it's just one solid piece of rubbery plastic. On the back side it says Purpose Toys, China. So there's a little rubber band which was used to hold it to her wrist. So next up are her shoes. As you can see, they're strappy heels in a coffee colored tone with a buckle on each side. On the soles it says N for Naturalistas. They're quite sturdy, I think. And on with the doll. Now, how to manage that? See if that will help. Yes, a little bit. And now I slip those plastic tabs through the cardboard. Of course, her head needs to be freed as well. So there's a little plastic thing holding her in place, her body in place. So there she is in her full glory. Just put her shoes on, the right side. Okay. So on the dress it says Naturalistas. It's a sparkly, lurex-y kind of dress, a little bit stretchy, a very simple cut dress. She has tiny sparkly earrings and her hair is in a very daring kind of coiffure, very to the sides, a little bit to the top, and it has a very curly feel to it. I'm wondering how it will work out with styling this hair. Let's see about that. Maybe I post a photo on my Instagram account how it turned out. Dress on the back closes with Velcro. There's no lining in the dress, of course. On the head it says Purpose Toys. Now here it says Purpose Toys China. There's a number imprinted as well. It's 2162MT01. That's the product number. So, yeah, I think she looks a little bit wild, but anyway, I like her style. So the arms go round, but also out. Her arms are quite big, still very elegant. Her legs don't bend, but they go up and down, a little bit to the side, like this. Well, it's a ridiculous pose, I think. And the head is slightly rotational, very light turning. I see, there's some rubber band to give her this look of the moment. So I suppose if you put out this hairband, the whole hair will come down a little bit like, for example, Diana Ross or so used to have. Yeah, her makeup. Let's see. She has a grayish purpley eyeshadow and also maybe light pink, very light pink eyeliner, and also this grayish purpley eyeliner below the eye. Her eyes are, I would say, hazelnut, honey colored, something like that. She has the slightest blush on her cheeks. Her lips are, I think the color is called maroon. So it's quite a nice doll. Sturdy. I would say it's basically a playland doll. My guess is also that she dresses up very good with some of the Barbie clothing, maybe for the fuller figured Barbies. Just one sneak peek. She has panties printed in the plastic very lightly and a very toned upper body, nice rounded back, and yeah, I think she is, as the name says, quite naturalistic looking. Her arms aren't too thin, they are also what you would expect an arm to be, not very thin. Her shoulders are quite narrow. Yeah, well. So I dressed her up in a flower patterned dress, and I think I will really love this doll. She looks fierce, and maybe with a less playful dress she will be also quite awesome. I'm wondering if the company is planning on releasing some dress sets or clothing sets with shoes, if there will be other shoes in other colors. Well, let's see. I wish them all the best for this doll line. A very nice and very good doll line. I think she's a beautiful doll. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.